what we're doing on this short video, I'll just show you how to create a simple nav like this one. Obviously, you can hover over the your navigation, and just a quick one. Cool stuff. So I have okay. So we're just gonna do a quick nav. Just say just a basic nav bar there with some items there. So once again, we're starting off with this blank HTML page, and basically, you say just to show you that it's that page there. It is there. There is the page right there. So how do we do this? So we'll start with an unordered list. It's really is as simple as that. Let's say we have home, duplicate that. About us, uh, we have our services, and then we have our contact us right there. So what you end up with is something like that. In fact, it's that's what we end up with. So just on our styling, we'll just start with the unordered list there. Just give it a padding of 0 and a margin of 0 as well, just to get rid of any anything, any unwanted space there between the item. So now the list item, what you want is to say change the display to inline block, and basically inline block brings us to that, to get us there. And just to make sure, for some reason, let's say list style, let's make it none, so that those list dots will not appear for some weird reason, somewhere, somehow. Now what we have, yes, we have our home, we have our about us there, but there's not enough space there. So what I use is padding. So I put some padding there. Let's make it a 10 pixel for up and down, and a 20 pixel for the sides, and we end up with something like that. Basically, if we come here to just to give it some styling, so you'll be able to see it properly. Come here to our unordered list element, and just give it a background color of I don't know what is. I get stuck in these colors, man. Of that dark salmon. So we end up with something like that, right? If we increase this to 20, I think 20 will give us a better, yeah. So that's what we have. So you can style this any way you want afterward, but you basically have our navigation. If you want it centered, you can just come here and say text align center like that, and you'll have your navigation tab here in the middle. If you want it on the right hand side, as you can think, you have it there on the right hand side there. You want to change the colors to white, and then yeah, you can change the colors to white there. Not let's just give it a bit of styling there. Let's say once we hover over the mouse, once we hover over the listed item, we want the background color to change to something like I don't know. Okay, let's say deep sky blue. Right? I don't know why we want that, but this is just for fun. And then we have it like that. Obviously, you can see that it's not showing the indication of clicking or anything like that. But if you want to add that, you can just say cursor, and you want the cursor to be a pointer there, and then you have it like that, right? You can even add transitions to it, so that let me say 2 seconds, just so you'll be able to see what a transition does. And basically, it's as you can see, it's taking a while to yeah, boom. So we can just change that to change color. So it's taking time to change color. Add that to like 3 seconds. You can see that there's a bit of transitions there. So I hope that was helpful. It's just to create a quick item, quick tutorial on creating a nav item like that.